name's Philip and I'm with WSI. Today we're going to address the question of what do I need to do to maintain my rod rotator. First, when you pull up to location, you want to make sure that your rotator is indeed turning. When you make sure that the rotator is turning, you want to go to your beam clamp. Make sure that the beam clamp is in good working order, nothing's broke, your spring is not stretched out or broke itself. When you've completed that, you need to go to your actuator cable. Make sure your actuator cable is in good working order and the clevises are working fine. Once you've completed that, we need to grease your rod rotator. So depending on what size of rod rotator you have, depends on how many shots of grease each will take. We're going to start with an 1165. If you have it, or 1164, you will have a grease cert here in the front that will take 5 shots of grease. This right here goes into your worm drive, which is a high friction area between your worm drive and your worm gear. WSI was the first to put a grease cert in the front to ensure that the grease gets into this high friction area. Next, you will go to your 2253 regular gear and slow gear. You'll have 2 shots that will go in the worm drive area, 7 shots that will go in the body. On your 3302 and 4033 series, you'll have 2 shots in the worm drive, 10 shots in the body. These are based on once a month maintenance. At WSI, we use a lithium-based grease, which is just a general purpose that is rated from 0 to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. If the area that you're working in either goes below or above these areas for temperature ratings at this spot, then use a grease that is best suited for your area. If you have any other questions or would like a training for you or your organization, at the end of this video there will be a link to where you can contact WSI and schedule your training today. Remember, work smart, be safe, and make your connection with WSI.